Odaiba, artificial island off the coast of Tokyo. One of my favorite places and home to many favorite spots, Rainbow Bridge, Fuji Television, and apparently the Statue of Liberty. However, today we visit Odaiba to see the Yosakoi Dream Festival, where teams from all over Japan compete in a battle of beautiful Japanese dance. Each team designed their own costumes, music, and choreography. I've seen Yosakoi before, but it still gets to me every time. I mean, just look at that huge flag. That's epic. Man, I love Japan. Let's get started with the video. Hey, welcome back to another Kokoro Compost video. I'm here with Mariko, and we're gonna see a Yosakoi festival. It's gonna be in Odaiba, maybe my favorite place in Tokyo. And we're gonna take a really cool train there. There's no driver, it's completely automatic, and the view is really nice. So let's go. So to get to Odaiba, we take the Yurikamomi line, and this train is awesome. Look at that view, it looks so futuristic. Especially at this point, it looks like we're about to engage warp speed. Really cool. But look, I can already see that the Yosakoi teams are starting. Let's go there right now. So we arrived in Odaiba after that epic train ride. That's so fun. That's more fun than a theme park. But yeah, take a look at that. So you saw it in the intro, but let's look at it one more time. Rainbow Bridge. So we're gonna take a quick look at Fuji TV. If you watched Digimon when you were young, you might know this building with a ball in it. I've seen it a lot when I went here, but I never went inside. So what actually is Fuji Television? You might have guessed it, it's a TV station in Japan. The icon is this little eye, and if you watch anime, you might recognize it because they air One Piece, the biggest anime in Japan. And they have this little gift shop with a lot of nice anime goods. However, we're here to watch Yosakoi, and they're about to get started. Let's get ready for an amazing Japanese experience. So this is Yosakoi. It's a Japanese dance with Japanese costumes, Japanese music. It's very Japanese and I love it so much. I'm gonna shut my mouth and show you some of my favorite moments from the Yosakoi festival. So that's Yosakoi. What did you think, Michael? Yeah, I could almost feel I could cry. It was that beautiful. I think Michael felt the same. And it certainly inspired me to buy a new camera because I just felt like I wanted to zoom, I couldn't zoom in. So yeah, very inspiring, Yosakoi. I really love it. And of course, if you're in Odaiba, you have to go see the little beach. It's very cozy, especially around sunset. Alright, now there's a lot of clouds, so we can't really see the beautiful sunset, but you can see. Alright, so I got a new camera and I went back for you guys to get that epic sunset. Just look at that orange goodness. This really is the best sunset of Tokyo. And let's look at Rainbow Bridge one more time. Doesn't that look epic with Tokyo Tower? Yeah, it sure does. So after you saw the beautiful sunset and the beach, you can go shopping in Odaiba. There's actually a lot of shopping malls here and also a nice food court. We're getting a little bit hungry, so we're gonna search for some food. But first, we're gonna go shopping. Japanese government still didn't send me my drone license. Maybe I need to go to drone school and I can get one a little bit quicker. And of course, if you go to Odaiba, you have to check out the Unicorn Gundam with its sophisticated technology. If you put your hand in here, it will obliterate any virus. Now that's what I call technology. And with our hands safely desanitized, it's time to take a look at the food court here. They have a lot of nice food. Oyakadon, ramen, soba, tempura. They got it all, and I have to say, it's pretty good. So I got Oyakodon. It means parents and kids. It's kind of gruesome. It's chicken with egg. So chicken is the parents, egg is the kids. Parent and kids. Sounds gruesome. Oh, it's really good. Parents and kids. Alright, and that's it for our day in Odaiba. With Fuji television in the background. Kind of looks like an evil corporation with a red glow, but looks pretty nice. And was a good day with the Yosakoi. I love Yosakoi. Really makes me feel like, I'm in Japan. And I think I'm gonna go sell a kidney so I can buy a new camera with a zoom lens. So please subscribe and leave a comment. Or buy my kidney. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Alright, thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the Yosakoi. I love it so much. I get a little bit emotional every time I see it. But I wanted to tell you that this is the last Tokyo video. We're not leaving Japan. We're actually going to the countryside of Japan. And I had a lot of interesting adventures here. I really did see a different side of Japan. And I can't wait to show you. Right now we have about 333 subscribers. That's 1/3 of the way to 1000. And yeah, in 2023 we're gonna hit that 1000 subscribers and beyond. 10,000, 100,000. I don't know, let's make it happen. I wanna do this YouTube thing seriously, so let's do this together. Alright guys, see you in the next video in the countryside.